As requested, I'm back with my plant care video. So these are a few of the plants that are currently in my space. And I'm going to show you all how I care for both the plants that I'm propagating and the plants that are currently potted. So I do have some clippings that I'm currently propagating, and what I do weekly is just maintain and monitor the water levels of the propagating plants, as well as monitor how much of the roots are developing. I monitor this so that way I can know when it's been enough time and there's enough points of growth and root points to successfully plant the plant in soil. So right now I have a monstera that's looking beautiful. I can't wait to plant this. I'm currently getting the proper type of soil for it, but I can clearly see, thanks to using clear jars, when it's ready to plant. I also make sure to check on my potted plants weekly. I monitor them and make sure that they are watered, and normally on average each week I give them a good bath of water. Now once a month I go a little more in depth and actually clean the leaves of my plants. Like other surfaces in the home, they can start to get coated with dust, dirt, even oil if you have them in like a kitchen area. And so I just use this simple cleanser that I made up myself. It's using organic soaps that are safe to be used on the plant. You can find all kinds of plant cleansers. They have some for sale. I just happened to DIY this one. And I just liberally spray the plant and then gently wipe each leaf. The process of this is honestly really calming and relaxing because you do have to be very gentle, as you don't want to tear or damage your leaves. And this really does make a difference in the plant's health and helps aid it with photosynthesis. In addition to helping the plant be healthier, this process also makes it look even more beautiful. I then water as needed, as well as check for any brown spots or leaves that need to be removed, and make sure that the plant is in overall good health. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching and requesting this video, and shout out to all my other plant mamas out there. Bye!